All right, this is a quick overview of the Plus Silhouette kit. As quickly installed, you can see there was no adjustments done to the parts that I received, other than a little trimming here at the bottom. I applied some double-sided tape to the back, and I stuck it on. This is actually stuck on with just the bare minimum number of pieces, because it is a bear to remove once it's on there. So these fender flares were tweaked from the first test piece. The skirt is from the first test kit. It didn't need any changes, so I didn't make any adjustments there. Here's the front one. You can see how nicely it mounts. You can see a little bit of the double-sided tape where it lifted off, but that's because there's not enough holding it in place. There we go. If you put this all the way along the back side, it would be rock solid. And there's the front blend piece.